So today I'm coming to you with a little bit more of the interior design side of things. Me and my wife just recently moved into a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in Florida. So we used to live in a 2-2, so it has been a bit of an adjustment, I can say. Moving into this space, it has really given me the opportunity to really kind of come up with some cooler ideas as far as color and kind of starting fresh. So today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about my bed set, but the sheets, the comforter, everything has to go. I have purchased some things from Home Goods and some other places, probably TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx so much. I have purchased some things to basically have a new bed set, and I'll show you all of the products. I'll link them below. And we are going to make my bed today, and I'll also give you a tour of my room. We moved here about 2 months ago, so it does take a lot of time to kind of get to this point of things, but I'm very excited to just be able to put some sheets on my bed, a cohesive room, finally. Well, no, moving is honestly so much, just too much if you ask me. Moving to an apartment, the mess is horrible. So I'm just excited to finally get some organization in the room and to be able to put on our PJs and lay down, and something that we both love so much. Go ahead and get to the video. So usually when I am looking for anything for my bed, throw pillows, duvets, I usually go to places like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I definitely always go into Target, those some of my staple places. But when I really I want something luxurious to kind of mirror your West Elm, your Pottery Barn, your CB2 type material, I will go to JCPenney. I will go to JCPenney's and Macy's too. I feel like they are some really good places to find designer stuff or things that look very similar to some of those higher end stores that you go in that has literally everything you would want and more. So I think those are some good places to kind of start off when it comes to redesigning or designing something for a cheaper amount, as opposed to going to some of those higher end places, breaking the bank. So this is what the room looks like. Headboard, it was really cool. Shantae picked it out and I was like, oh, that's really nice. I think I can do something with it as far as like being a little more colorful in our space, playing with colors. We really like the bohemian aesthetic. That's something that I kind of use in a lot of my designs. It does have storage under the bed, so please do not mind that TV box because the box has to go somewhere, you know? But there's so much junk under there, so hopefully I'm praying to God that the new duvet that I bought, I just really hope that it kind of covers all of that stuff and kind of drops to the floor a little better than this comforter did. So, and then we have like, I forget what those are called, a Pouf. We have a Pouf like at the end of the bed. You can see like the details in the carpet. You have like blues, pinks, green, orange. I thought that was really cute, and it would tie in to the blue headboard. And then also this lamp, I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's supposed to be pink. There is so much stuff that I bought for this moment right here, and show you everything that I got. Because just look at these. They're huge. They're 26 by 26. They're white. It's kind of giving that farmhouse vibe. The crisp white just, I just really want to lay on this. I need to wash my face every night. I cannot slip up, not ever. And definitely don't wear no makeup. It's like, these are to die for. I have to get them. I think they will look so good up against the headboard. Now, it's filthy. It's dirty. It needs a makeover. So I thought this would look so good up against. Then I also bought this pillow from, I'm not even sure, Home Goods. Yes, Home Goods. I got this pillow from Home Goods. It's like a denim kind of vibe. I thought it would look really nice up against the blue. And I think that flows to me. And honestly, this is the pillow that I'm most excited about. I got this from JCPenney. I think that the pink is going to go so well with the carpet. Kind of bring out pink a little bit more. And kind of excited to see if it'll even come out right. Because some head I'm like, oh, that'll be so fire. And then when I actually put it on, the designer in me is like, too much of a clash. Oh, I hate it. Take it all back. So hopefully this will actually flow. Let's see, let's actually sheets on the pillows, because I actually bought new pillows. I have sheets also. I have white sheets. This came with 4 pillowcases, so I think that is fairly good for a sheet set. It was only $19.99, and I got this from Home Goods. Pillows from Home Goods. Like this brand particularly, I think everybody probably uses this brand. I'm not sure, but these are the best pillows. Some good quality pillows that's gonna last you. This is it. $29.99 for 2 of these pillows. And also, I did buy another comforter in white, but I thought linen would be so warm on this actual bed with the colors and everything. Like the light when we first wake up and it comes in the room. This fantasy about it, and I just want to say it's gonna be the right comforter for this type of bed design. Then here is the comforter set, very beat up. Only because at some point I was so thirsty. I really was excited to just hurry up and put all of this stuff on the bed. Then I tried to pop it open and put it on top of the bed just to see if it'll look. So it looked a little beat up because no way, shape, or form did I know how to put this back in here correctly. But I do need to see the tag so I can show you how much this was. It was on sale. It must have been like $200, and then maybe, I'm not sure, the actual tickets $179.99, and I know I only paid maybe like $130 for it, so I was pretty good with that because it's Sonoma. I know that Pottery Barn, West Elm do Sonoma products, so to me this is such a steal. Outside of me going to actual West Elm and getting a duvet insert, and then not only that, everything in there is separate, so I would have to pay for the sham, the sheet sets. I already did that, but I know for comforters and duvets, it's very important just for the fluff and the aesthetic to get something that's very durable. Sonoma is one of the best products that I've used. I won't leave you waiting any longer. Let me go ahead and make the bed. The best part of it. I feel like there's nothing like getting a fresh sheet. So the comforter did come with 2 sham pillowcases, so I'm going to use that only because this isn't like a pure white. It's more of like a off-white, so I kind of want to play with the colors just a little bit. So I'm going to use these, and I feel like these would be a little more lightweight and comfortable than using white sometimes. So I'm going to put these on. Last pillow. It took me like 20 years to do that. You gotta give a little chop to your pillow. Even if they don't want to chop, you chop them. Because that one not about to chop. Now, the very last thing you need to do when you are putting on a bed set is, believe it or not, I don't make the rules here, but to steam everything. Like, on point is to steam. Very wrinkled and can't do regular steamer. Wait for her to heat up.
I think it looks really good.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much when you watch these videos and really get to know me and all of my crazy.